In the previous video, we covered how to save your student email before the Microsoft 365 upgrade happening from Friday, May 8th to May 10th, 2026. This video will only cover the process of backing up your entire email for users on Mac OS. If you only need a few messages saved, then check out our previous video for instructions. You'll need to be running the legacy version of Outlook on Mac. We'll first provide instructions on how to get there. This is New Outlook. In order to get to Legacy Outlook, you'll press Outlook on the menu bar, then click the Legacy Outlook button, then click Restart. Give it just a short moment, and Legacy Outlook should open. If you see this switch flipped, you're already there. Now in Legacy Outlook, we'll go through the process of saving your emails. In the menu bar, you'll press File, Export, then make sure all the categories are selected, then press Continue. Then give it a name and place it somewhere that you'll remember. I'll choose Downloads. Then click Save. Now we'll review what to do after the upgrade is complete. You'll choose File, Import, then select Outlook for Mac Archive File and press the Continue button. Select the file you saved earlier, then press the Import button. Please be sure to complete this process before Friday, May 8th at 5 p.m. Central Time. Keep your Outlook archive file safe until you confirm your email is restored after the upgrade.